I knew I had to make you mine. Wanted to know everything about you. I didn't want to waste no.
Wow, my beautiful Spicy Life Global Family Community TV. The sun is shining, but more than that, today we're shining for you because we bring you this amazing opportunity. Wait, as we walk in the journey, we start understanding how we can help people better and how we can bring you the best property investments on the best price, because there is no need to pay overpriced. The real estate has a market value and it always has it. So it's really important for you to come and get the best deals, and today we bring you this amazing deal. Guess the price, you guys are not gonna believe it, and it's only $280,000. Yes, as you saw, we just went right now and we were at the Marino National entrance, and this amazing property investment is 4 rental units of $750 each, 2 bedrooms, a giant parking for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cars, nice outside kitchen, plants. I mean, this is the property investments that you guys are looking to buy. Contact us because this won't last long in the market. And here, let's go. Let's check this amazing opportunity. There is 2 on the lower floor and then there's 2 in the upper floor. Now, there is 2 headquarters for the caretaker or employee. But let's check this amazing opportunity. Look, the beautiful wooden doors. Yep, wooden doors, super beautiful. And pam, let's check it out. Look, as you come inside, poof, the light came in. We have a nice giant living room. Look how beautiful is the tile. Yes, the TV right here. And this is perfect if you come for well season. This is perfect for long term. This building produces $3,000 a month. Yeah, less expenses will be producing $2,500 a month to be realistic, so you will have a good income. Look at the kitchenette. Yep, water, amazing water, nice towels, kitchen, fridge, everything. And this is one of the first rooms. Look, 2 beds. Yep, super nice for kids. I mean, if I come to stay to see the whales, I want to stay here. Come because we want to check now the bathroom. They're so giant, so spacious. $280,000. Yes, I'm here because you guys asked me to look for right prices. So this is why I came here. I don't want to keep doing no prices. The bathroom, super nice too. Nice little window, hot shot water, perfect. And let's check the other bedroom right here, because yeah, it's not 1 bedroom apartments, it's 2 bedroom apartments. And boom, right here we are. Let's see if we can turn on the light, because we are the light and we are the best. Now these rooms comes too with AC that is really nice, and it's perfect. If you want to open the windows too, you can open the windows and we'll bring more light. I mean, here you can be and you can be like, okay, let's go surfing. Isn't this amazing? Let's go so we can see more about these amazing apartments. This is what you get. Rental income. Yeah, you can keep one for you, of course. Right here, there is the second apartment, and we have the nicest stairs here. Come with me. We have the nicest stairs with the other 2 apartments. They are rented now, so yes, they are producing income. We have an outdoor kitchen right here, just in case people wants to do barbecue, grill. We have a nice landscape right here, and we have 2 undercover roof. Look, if you like gardening, we have right here, this is a cucumber plant. Look how cute. They put a string, so yeah, you will have your cucumber salads. It's amazing. We have right here some spicy plants here too, and these ones right here are cherry tomatoes. Yeah, you buy your property and you have your own salad. Here, come with me. By the way, thank you for following up and subscribing, because we really love you guys and we only want the best for you. Right here, this is the Caretaker's Apartment. So yeah, you can have someone right here. Look, this is the apartment right here. Needs a little bit love because caretaker just left. but it's perfect. So it's 5. It's 5, and we have access right here. You can even turn this into a communal kitchen. This is like a hostel, and this is in Uvita, Costa Rica. Yes, I know. Laundry. It has laundry too. This is on the best location. Everything with AC. And remember, look at this sign. It says, please keep organized, clean, and make sure that you buy this now. Keep following me. We're gonna go back to see the second floor. This is in Uvita, Costa Rica. Property with title, legal water, electricity. The rental income here for $750 a month includes the water and the electricity, so it's perfect. Let's be quiet because there is people renting up there. Amazing. Look at the view. It's so beautiful. This is apartment number 1 that is rented, and this is the other apartment number 2. It's not rented, but it's closed. So yeah, my name is Spicy Life, and if you're looking to buy a small hotel, apartments, walk distance to the beach, this is your opportunity. Send me a message. This is one of the best deals in the market for only $280,000. Now, can you make an offer? Let's do it. We don't have nothing to lose. It's affordable, it's premium, and it brings return on investment. My name is Spicy Life from Spicy Life Real Estate, and I'm bringing you right now the best, affordable, unique opportunities that bring real return. Why? Because you asked for it. Love and positivity with real estate for the world. National Park, Marino Ballena, and yes, only 11 minutes from here we have an hotel for sale for $280,000. This is a property investment, it's a hotel, and the most amazing about this property investment is that it's only 11 minutes walking to the Whale National Park. Yes, the hotel is right there, and the asking price is $280,000. There is info centers, there is a bunch of restaurants. It's amazing. Let's go and check this opportunity now if you want to buy properties with the price of market, because that's what we do. Let's go check it out. It's only 11 minutes from here. I can run too, but no, let's take our time. And yes, as we walk to this property investment, look, there's super nice shopping, bathing suits, and all this kind of stuff. But more than that, there's a couple of restaurants. Fernando restaurant is here. We have Uvita 360. Yeah, this is important because your clients will stay there and they have access to amazing rentals. Hola, buenas. You see how beautiful? Everything is super spicy. We're checking. Nice to meet you. Have a beautiful day. Yes. Real estate. Spicy life. Hey, come here and what's your name?
My name is Megan.
Megan, come here and support Megan. Rent boogie boards, surfboards, and buy tours so she can make more money. Of course, yes, thank you. And you see, we have amazing restaurants right here. This is like super amazing and beautiful team right here. Colapso, the best restaurant. So yeah, look, the local people working. Is this amazing? Of course, it's gonna bring them more money. Making money every day. Campeona, bendiciones, pura día, de una sonrisa. Let's keep it going because the property is really close. Beautiful morning. And always remember, keep it spicy.
That would make you smile. I'll bring you flowers, girl, enough to see for miles. Something's changed, baby, this I know. Summer rains turn to winter snow, but I promise you for sure, girl, my love is always yours. Something's changed, baby, this I know. Summer rains turn to winter snow, but I promise you for sure, girl, my love is always yours. I love your style, and I love your grace. Said I love to put a smile on your pretty little face. I love it when you're close to me. That's where I want you to always be. I didn't know when I found you